Yep, this is Bruce. Welcome back to Bruce Workshop. Today I'm talking back about 3D printing in my workshop's update. Last few days ago, I having this set, Multimedia 2.0. I having trouble, they're not running color well, there's happening problem while switching colors. Until now, it's still problem, so my second review is not come yet. And I actually don't have time. I just use it. One material mode is keep hinting. The printer itself is still a great unit. It's the MK3, by the way. Just the fit in filament related troubles. But its switching color is still mess. I will take a time to do that later on because I don't have any extra printer now. So today a little bit special. I actually get a new printer. This is the box. Yeah, I'm doing unboxing today. Not one, but two. Maybe the another one, make another videos. I believe one unboxing is long enough. This one is Ender 3 Pro, and the bottom one is CR-10S Pro. So I have a new printer. This is not a paid review. I buy this with my pocket money. If this is sucks, I will definitely score it very bad. I hope that my decision not wrong. Meanwhile, when I'm unboxing this thing, I want to thank you all who giving order to me, giving work to me. With all your support, only possible I can invest back to my workshop. Without you, this printer review is not happening. I don't have Patreon account in Malaysia. I don't know anyone want to do the Patreon, but maybe later I will open one. I hope everyone can support me by doing this. Wow. Okay. Let me put this way. Can you see that? The packaging actually quite good. Very nice plastic. So this is the instruction for assembly. Do you need that? And it actually got a magnetic pad. Well, just you don't have any way to align it. You need to align it manually. So I got this board. This is a controller board with a screen. Controller screen. You got power supply here. You got X. This is 2040 aluminum profile. Yep. Got two of them. Three of them. So you got a rod. Oh, scared me. I thought it's banded, but it's actually a plastic rod to protect it. Well, it's good protection. Okay. Well, only one. Okay, only one. You got some screw here, tools, and sample filament. That's it? You give me this less? Oh man. USB. Okay, exploders here. Look like this is an assembly kit. Wait a minute. They provide an extra nozzle. It's an extra one because in here actually got one. Oh. I think I should take out this first. The wires is stacking below. Why not putting up there? I'm not sure. So extra tools. Let's take out this one. Oh, I see. Power core. open rod at the ZX. Oh, luckily I'm not using force just now. It's actually in below. So this one already take a look. Small package here. Movement part. So you have to set. This is XY model, YZ model. The whole thing, the bed, and why the bed and the excluder is stick together. Oh, they put like this. This one really possible to damage it. So excluder is here. They got one extra excluder. They're using the some Kapton tape to protect the heat. Maybe heat up faster. You know that? Well, this is a small printer, but compared to Prusa, it is similar size with Prusa. And the price, one of this can buy 3 to 4 Prusa. That is a lot. So, they're using this method. Well, but there's nothing to complain. They are just a printer and the rod. Okay, the box is so small, so I think it's nothing below. Yeah, it is nothing below. Put it back. Put it back. I hear that CR-10S Pro actually can assembly faster than Ender 3. And I see Ender 3 got a lot of small parts. I think it's correct. Yeah, we got time, so I think I decided to unbox this well. Unboxing. But now it's quite late. Now it's 12 o'clock. I had to wake up early tomorrow. Why not just finish this unboxing, then go sleep? Okay. Oops, my camera. Ah. Yeah, because I got limited space. I had to keep it. Okay, this is another one. It seems like really hard, not easy to take out. Good ideas. Sleep. Make it sleep. Throw it out. But the packaging can really bring that printer overseas. I hope that nothing is damaged. Huge. This is really big. Oh. Now I'm actually seeing this unboxing from sexy side. Oh, the sound bad. And even myself, man, unbox this thing, he's also tired. What about the girls? Come on. Okay, where do I take out first? Oh, got a small spool filament. The big guy giving so small filament. So got a box here that just fall down. Okay, I think I'm wrong way. Upside down. Take out like this. This is the body. This is the body. Wow. Okay, both hands. This is the body. this is the base. This is the body. Okay, this one like that. Okay, that's it. Only 2 parts. Oh, look at the. They got also protection. So why the nozzle looks so small? They got inductive sensor. Wow. Nothing to talk with it. Just go. Yeah. Just like that. So one cable here. Right in. Only 3 cable need to install, and 4 through. That's fast. Well, but they're not using magnetic base for this. Not bad, not good. Why not using magnetic base? Fine. I'm done with it today. I'm not going to continue. I'm head to rest, take a shower. Tomorrow, assembly videos for both. And I expect 1 or 2 more days later to do review. A comparison between Creality and Prusa i3 Mark III. Is that interested? Subscribe my channel if you're interested, and see you a few days later. Bye.